Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video on how to replace the combination lock on a Pelican case. This specific case is the 1495. Combination lock goes under the handle there in that empty space. If you get a replacement, Pelican was gracious enough to send me this one. There's the part number 1495-345-001. Open it up and install this thing. So that's what it looks like, front and back. If yours didn't have one like mine, you may be like, how the heck does that go in there? It doesn't fit. Well, I will show you. There's the case with the insert and everything, and you remove this top plate with these two screws right here, and the lock will go down inside of that mechanism. Just remove that plate. Install the plate back on. You want this catch right here to be on this side where that clasp is. So all on the left hand side, and you want this catch right here to also be on that left hand side to allow the clasp to go through. This piece has a front lip on it that you can barely see right there. And that front lip goes towards the front, towards you, so that that hole is offset towards the back just a little. Then we'll reinstall the screws and make sure everything's fitting right and functioning correctly. Oh, just snug the screws down. They don't have to be torqued real tight or anything, just snug down. And we'll close it and make sure it works properly. And there you go. All my clasps are open, but the lock is keeping it locked. So close it, lock it, unlock it. Okay, cool. It's that easy. I will try to figure out how to reprogram the combination now. Okay, to change the lock, it is locked right now and it's on its default from the factory 000. So you unlock it, and then it has to be unlocked here, and it has to be on the 000 or whatever your combination is, and you push this unlock lever instead of to the right to unlock it, you push it to the left and hold it. So you hold it like that, and then you change the combo to whatever 3-digit you want, and then you release it after you've changed it, and then you can unlock it and lock it with that combination instead of the 000.